Hello, welcome back to Rajini Kiranmai YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the HTML body tag and its attributes. Now let me first say about what is a body tag. The HTML body tag is going to define the main contents of an HTML document which displays on the browser. It can contain text content, it can be a paragraph content, it may be headings, it may contain images, tables, links, videos, etc. And now we talk about the position of the body tag in the HTML document. So the body tag is the second element after the head tag, or we can also say that the body tag is placed in between closing head tag and closing HTML tag. This tag, that means body tag, is required for every HTML document and should only use once in the whole HTML document. The syntax is opening body tag. What all the content that you wanted to place in the web page, all those details can be documented, informated over here. So we wrote it as place your content here. Place your content here, what all you wanted to place it on the web page. After that, you are going to close the body tag. Now let us look to the different attributes that we can use for the body tag. Here we have listed the different attributes and the purpose of using those attributes. First, let me say about the third one, that is BG color attribute. So if we are going to use this BG color attribute, it helps us to determine the background color of the content. Say for example, if I have given body, within that I have used the attribute BG color is equal to green, then the web page of the body is displayed in the green color. Now let us move to the second attribute, that is background. So this attribute is used in order to display the image for the document. Say suppose if you wanted to display an image as a background for your web document, then we can use this attribute background, and in this background attribute you can give the image file which you wanted to display as a background. And next comes the text attribute. This text attribute is going to determine the color of the text in the document. Say for example, if I have displayed text is equal to red, then the text content that is going to be displayed on the web page will be in red color. Now we talk about the A-link. A-link attribute is going to define the color of the active link in a document. That means if suppose if there is any hyperlink in a web document that you are going to display, and to that hyperlink, if I wanted to provide a color and indicate that this is the active link that you wanted to use, for that you can specify a color saying A link is equal to blue. So A link attribute helps us to define the color of the hyperlink which is in active state. And V-link attribute is also used, which is going to determine the color of the visited link, already visited link. And along with these attributes, there are all many other attributes of the body tag, that is onload. And this attribute is a function call on page loading. On unload, the function call when user leaves the page. So the page is loaded when you are using the attribute called onload, and if you are leaving the page, on unload function call is invoked. And there is one more attribute for the body tag, that is on focus, on blur. On focus is also a function call when the document retrieves focus by the user, and on blur is also a function call when the document loses focus by the user. But the major body tag attributes that we usually or initial learner should use is BG color, background, text, a link, v link. Along with this, there is one more attribute, that is link. Now let us present an example of how to use a body tag. So when you look to the left hand side, we have presented an file and have named that file as body.html. I have started my documentation with HTML tag and then a head tag. Within the head tag, I have presented a title saying that because my program is on body tag, so I gave the title as body tag and have closed the title. Then I have closed the head, and here starts the body tag. In this body tag, I have used BG color, that is attribute BG color is equal to green. So that is the reason why, see here, the web page is displayed, the body of the web page is displayed in the green in color. And I have used one more attribute called text, and I gave the value as blue, and that is the reason why whatever the text that I am going to display in this body of the web page, and that text content is displayed in blue color. And what is the text I am going to display here is, this is the code I have written saying that this is a simple program using body tag. So that is the reason why this text is displayed in blue color, because I have provided the attribute text is equal to blue in the body tag. And I have closed the body tag and have closed the HTML, and this content is wrote in Notepad, and I have saved this file with the file name called body.html. And after executing this, I have got the output which is displayed to the right of this slide. So see here, the title I gave is body tag, right? So this title is displayed over here, see, in the title bar, that is body tag. And in the body tag, I said the background should be in green color, and whatever the text that I'm going to write within this body tag should be displayed in blue color. And this is what the output we got. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you are clear with the body tag attributes.